Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the app and keyboard ready. First, pick where the fire heart will appear: bio, caption, comment, story sticker, or DM. Once chosen, open that field and bring up the emoji keyboard. On iOS, tap the globe. On Android, tap the emoji icon. If you use a custom keyboard or third-party emoji, make sure it supports the fire heart design. Now type any surrounding text before inserting the fire heart, so spacing and punctuation appear correctly. Now you add and style the fire heart. Type the fire emoji, then the heart, or select a combined glyph if your OS supports it. The order changes tone. Fire then heart is playful. Heart then fire reads passionate. Once done, tweak spacing and punctuation to avoid clipping in captions. For stories, use text tools. Increase size, change color, add shadow, or place inside stickers to boost contrast. Make sure visibility on light or dark backgrounds by previewing before proceeding. Finish by previewing the post in Feed, Story, or DM to confirm the fire heart displays as intended. When satisfied, publish. If the emoji looks broken or shows as a box, make sure your device OS and Instagram are updated. If that fails, create a small PNG of the fire heart and upload as an image. Once posted, check from another account or device to confirm consistency. If problems persist, restart the app and clear cache before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.